Hi everybody, this is Bonnie from bonniescreativeplace.stampingup.net. I have a little bit of a different video for you today. Today I am coming to you with my love of Stampin' Up. I am at a point in my business now where I would like to add members to my team. I am looking for you, that one person that's watching this video that wants to join Stampin' Up or wants to make a little extra cash, or that's a crafter that just wants to get a discount on their stuff because right now things are really hard out there, and I understand that. So I understand joining may not be your thing because you can't afford it, or you don't have time, or whatever. Stampin' Up has this wonderful opportunity that if you're just a crafter and you want to join for the $99 and you get $125 worth of merchandise, you can do that and just be a crafter. No commitment added, nothing, done. Now, if you're that person out there that's like, well, I'd like to make maybe a little bit of cash on the side, or just have your friends over and you guys order together and have a good get together, then this is great too, because you could still join for $99 and get it for $125, and that's it. And you can have your friends order, and you can give them your discount if you want, or you can just have them pay the regular price and then you make a little money on the side. Right now, I've been doing an in-home class. I just started back up doing some in-home classes. There's only about 4 of us that get together. You could keep your distance. You can wear a mask if you feel more comfortable with that, but it's in your home. If you don't have a place when things open up a little bit better, I know they're allowing 10 people, so maybe you could find a little place like your local library or something to hold a little get together if your place is too small. Or you could do online classes. That's what I've been doing. I've been doing online classes and I send the kit to people. Or you can just be a crafter and create everything and just make it for yourself and get the discount. I mean, you can get 25% off. You get 20% off, and then once you hit bronze, elite, then you get 25% off, and it doesn't take long to get to bronze elite. And if you decide to stay in it, all it is $100 a month. That's it. Or $300 a quarter. That's it. But it's simple, it's easy, and I would love to have you guys on my team. I'm really trying to build my team. If this isn't for you and you think you know somebody else that might want to join Stampin' Up, or this might be for them, whether it's a crafter or whether they want to do it as a business, then just shoot them this video, send it to them, share it with them. I would really appreciate that. Hit like, comment, subscribe, anything on my videos. I really appreciate that too. And share this video. I don't want to take up much of your time. I'm trying to keep this really short, but I would really hope that maybe you would consider joining my team. I would really appreciate it. Thanks everybody. Thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day and listening to my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share my video with everybody. Bye-bye.